This is wonderful to see that you're continuing the exercises. I encourage you to not stop. If you take a brief pause, come on back. This is a great time to be doing this because we're in the holiday season. But I would say to you, your core supports your confidence. So let's do some exercises today. The first one we would do would be the standing knee lift. And basically, you just lift your knees. That's it. And then the next one is the standing side crunch. We put our hands on our head. We lean to the left, pull the leg up, right, and the leg up. Then the next one will be the slow march. And it's a real simple thing. All of these are simple exercises. So you slowly march, slowly march. Okay, and this is to help build your core. So be thankful for what you're doing. Enjoy these exercises because I am certainly enjoying my time of exercising with you. So let's get started with the standing knee lift. We're going to count to 20 because we will be doing 10 on each side. So and before I start the exercises, if you need to get a chair or lean on something to keep your stability and not fall over, stop the video, go do that, and then come back to start the video. Okay, I just want all of us to be safe and enjoy the time of exercise. Let's do our standing knee lifts. We will start with the left leg. Count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your core in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Squeeze it. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Maximize what you're doing. If you have the strength to do it, you will build it up over time. But let's do the best we can and get the most out of our exercises. The next exercise will be the standing side crunch. So we're going to put our hands on our head. We're going to count to 20 on this one also. Hold your core in as best you can and squeeze when you go down. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, that wasn't too bad, was it? That's probably the hardest one to do today, but you got through it, and I applaud you. So the next one we will do will be the slow march. So we're going to start with our left leg up and the right arm out. So here we go. Count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, let's start over with the standing knee lift. We're going to do this 20 counts again, starting with the left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so we're going to go into our standing side crunch. So that means we will put our hands on our head and lift our knees up. Squeeze your abs, your core, your abs when you're making these crunches. So let's count to 20, starting with the left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay. I hope you got some joy out of doing that exercise. Okay. All right, let's go into the slow march. And we will start with the left leg, and then the right arm goes out, and the left leg goes up, and vice versa. Okay? So let's count to 20 one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so hope you're feeling good. Hope you feel like going on one more round, all right? So we're going to do the standing knee lifts once again. So start with the left knee up. Hold your core. Hold it in and crunch it or squeeze it when your knee comes up, okay? Here we go. Count to 20. Left knee first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we're getting through these exercises, and I hope that you're feeling good about yourself as you do these exercises. We're going to go ahead and do the standing side crunch. Put our hands on our head, go to the left first, and squeeze your abs if you can. If not, just do what you can and feel good about it, all right? Go to the left, counting to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, we have made it through these exercises today. And as you have been following and doing the exercises, we're doing more of the exercises, increasing the amount of time. So continue to come back, let others know. Remember one thing, God is your stability and He is your strength. Trust Him. So today I'm inviting you to save the video, share it, and follow me. Come back tomorrow for day number 41. Moving right along, and I want you to have a beautiful day. This is Darlene, Exercise Queen.